Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel TNV Academy. I'm Akanksha and today we are going to explore something that can completely change how you look at event management. The real difference between before and after ISO 20121. Many people think ISO standards are just about documentation and certification, but ISO 20121 goes far beyond that. It actually transforms the way events are planned, executed, and experienced. In this video, we won't just talk about theory. We will walk through real practical changes that organizations experience after implementing ISO 20121. So, if you have ever wondered whether ISO 20121 is truly worth it, stay with me till the end. Now, let's talk about before ISO 20121. Before ISO 20121, most organizations operate in a reactive and unstructured way. The primary focus is simply to execute the event somehow, without a clear long-term vision. Planning often lacks coordination, with different teams working in silos and making last-minute decisions. This leads to inefficiencies, confusion, and unnecessary stress. Waste generation is another major issue. Events produce huge amounts of plastic waste, food waste, and unused materials, but there is usually no proper system to manage or reduce it. Everything ends up in landfills because there is no accountability or tracking mechanism in place. Costs also tend to rise in such environments. Without proper planning, organizations often overorder resources, waste energy, and spend more on logistics than necessary. Ironically, the absence of sustainability leads to higher expenses. At the same time, stakeholder communication remains weak. Vendors, sponsors, and attendees are not aligned with many sustainability goals because those goals don't exist. As a result, everyone works independently rather than collaboratively. Finally, brand reputation starts to suffer. In today's world, people are increasingly aware of environmental and social issues. When an event appears wasteful or poorly managed, it negatively impacts how audiences perceive the brand. Now comes the turning point. Implementing ISO 20121. The moment an organization decides to implement ISO 20121, a significant shift begins. Initially, the process may feel overwhelming because it involves defining policies, conducting risk assessment, and introducing structured documentation. However, as the system starts taking shape, the organization moves from a chaotic approach to a strategic and well-planned one. ISO 20121 introduces clarity and direction. Instead of random decisions, there is a clear framework guiding every action. This shift lays the foundation for long-term improvement and consistency. Then comes the phase after ISO 20121, real measurable results. After implementing ISO 20121, the results become clearly visible across multiple areas. One of the most noticeable improvements is cost optimization. With better planning and resource management, organizations reduce unnecessary spending and often achieve significant cost savings. Waste reduction is another major outcome. With proper segregation systems, recycling initiatives, and the use of sustainable materials, events generate far less waste compared to earlier practices. This not only benefits the environment but also enhances operational efficiency. Energy efficiency also improves. Organizations adopt energy-saving measures such as efficient lighting, optimized schedules, and sometimes even renewable energy sources. This reduces both environmental impact and operational cost. Stakeholder engagement becomes much stronger. Sponsors, vendors, and attendees all become part of the sustainability journey. This creates a more collaborative and meaningful event experience, where everyone contributes to a shared goal. Brand reputation sees a significant boost as well. Organizations that implement ISO 20121 are perceived as responsible and forward-thinking. This attracts better partnerships, increased media attention, and stronger trust from audiences. Another important improvement is in measurement and reporting. Organizations start tracking key metrics such as waste generated, energy used, and carbon footprint. This transparency allows continuous improvement and better decision making in the future events. Over time, these improvements contribute to long-term business growth. ISO 20121 helps build systems that can be repeated and scaled, giving organizations a competitive advantage in the market. So that is the real transformation from unstructured and wasteful practices to strategic and sustainable event management. ISO 20121 does not just improve events, it reshapes the entire approach to planning and execution. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let me know, would you consider implementing ISO 20121 in your organization? I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.